This is what happened when I uploaded one video every day for a month on one of my Cash Cow YouTube channels. With that Cash Cow YouTube channel, I started making $500 to $1,000 every month. And now I'm going to talk about a brand new Cash Cow channel idea, and an example channel that is currently earning $7,000 per month according to the Social Blade. I'm super excited to show you how to make the exact same video they do and start making money from YouTube automation. Keep watching till the end. And make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification icon for discovering new make money online ideas daily. So, our Cash Cow YouTube channel's niche is online quiz tests. And here is the channel that creates this type of quiz video. At the end of the video, I'll reveal the name of this YouTube channel. For making the same kind of videos and Cash Cow channels, you need to follow these steps. The first and most important step is to find YouTube video ideas. And I'll teach you how to find trending video ideas on YouTube later in the video. Then, we'll need to find a moving animated background video. Following that, we must collect some photos in PNG format. Then, we need to find countdown sound effects and background music to make our video look professional. And, while uploading the video, we must select the category of our channel education and the content type made for kids, which also indicates that this channel is intended for children, because these types of videos are mostly watched by kids since they learn something interesting. Let's complete the first step, finding YouTube video ideas. For now, from these videos, I am choosing a random video topic. Let's say I want to make videos on this topic. Guess the countdown from emojis. Just notice that there will be an animated video playing in the background, and emojis will appear one after the other in that video. So, we must find a similar type of animated background video. Go to pixabay.com and then select videos from the drop-down menu. After that, search for cartoon background. You'll also find a large number of professional animated backgrounds to use in your video. This background appeals to me. Simply click on that. Then you will find the free download option. Simply select the video dimensions and click the download button. Okay, we downloaded a moving animated background for our video. We now need to collect some PNG images. I'm downloading the same images that were used in the video. So, simply search for Bell Cartoon Images. You'll need to find some cartoon images because this video is intended for children. These are all the cartoon bell icon images, and you can select any of them. This one appeals to me. This is lovely. Now, open this image in a new tab. Then, if the image resolution is quite good, download it. Similarly, you must download all of the images, but we need PNG images. And as you can see, this is in JPEG format. That is why its background must be removed. This website, remove.bg, will help you in accomplishing this. Simply upload an image from your desktop, and it will automatically remove the background using artificial intelligence. It removes the background. You may now download the picture. As you can see, the background of the image has been nicely removed. I have downloaded all of the images here that are used in that video. This video has a picture of this workout in the bell icon, so I downloaded the picture, and they represented Belgium country through these two images. In the second slide, they used iron and nature images here, so I also downloaded iron and nature images. Not only that, but I also convert all of them into PNG images by removing their background. In this way, you have to download all the images one by one and remove their background. Once you have downloaded all images, then you need to download the loading or timer animation. Simply search on YouTube loading animation green screen, and you will find a lot of loading animation green screens that are copyright free. You can download any one of them. This is the one I like the most, so I will download it. If you use IDM like me, then you can download using IDM, or you can also download this video using this website called ytonus.com. Here I am simply downloading this using IDM. Okay, we downloaded our loading animation. Now we need to download countdown sound effects. To download this, go to pixabay.com again, then select a sound effect from the drop-down menu, and then search for timer countdown. The sound effects are here. Let's listen to these soundtracks. Yeah, this is the sound effect that we want. Now, you need to download the soundtrack on your desktop. Okay, we also download the countdown soundtrack. Now we need to download background music to make our video look professional. Head over to mixkit.com. Mixkit is a free gallery of awesome stock video clips, music tracks, and so on. Click on music, and you will obtain a lot of royalty-free background music. These are all the background music that is completely copyright-free. Let's listen to music. You can listen to all the music one by one, and download the one you like. We have downloaded our background music. Now you need to select the category education and the content label made for kids, as we are making content for kids. So we completed all the steps one by one.
Oh Oh my god! Wow!
Now we have to edit the video using our downloads. I will guide you on how to edit the video step by step. But before that, if you are not subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. It's totally free, but you will get a lot of online money-making ideas daily that can change your current finance. Okay, as you have subscribed, so let's edit the video. I'm using Camtasia to edit the video here, but you can use any free video editing software as the method is the same. First and foremost, the files must be imported. So click on Import Media, then select all the files and import them onto the software. Then on the timeline, drag and drop the animated background video. Now you need to duplicate the background video over and over and take it to as many minutes as you want your video to be. Now I drag the bell image onto the timeline and resize it to appear attractive and professional. Then, in the same way, add another image to the timeline and modify it to match the size and position of the first image. Bring each image and text onto the timeline, and then resize them to fit the timeline. Now you need to add the loading animation onto the timeline and fit it with the images. Then remove the green screen from the animation and resize it. After that, add an animation to make it beautiful. Now, we need to bring the countdown sound effect to the timeline. Then, we need to adjust the length of that sound effect with the countdown timer animation length. So, let's see a quick preview of how it looks. Finally, you need to add background music to the timeline. We have to reduce the background music sound a lot. Our one slide is pretty much complete, so let's see how this slide turned out. Even if I only made the video in 4 minutes, please comment on how the video turned out. If you want to make such videos, then you must learn video editing thoroughly. If you really want to make money from YouTube, then you must learn video editing. Otherwise, you will not be able to earn from YouTube, and that is the real truth. The channel I showed you first is called ABC Quizzes. They are the ones who make these kinds of kids quiz-related videos. And this channel started in June 2022 and has passed around 32,000 subscribers. If I go to their most popular video section, you can see this video called Guess 100 Logos in 3 Seconds crossed 4.6 million views in less than 4 months. Just look at the preview of the video. What is actually happening in the video? In the video, company logos appear one after the other followed by their names. That's all. And many of their videos crossed millions of views in a few months. This is because kids love to play such online quizzes, so these videos get a lot of watch time. And watch time is the #1 factor to grow on YouTube. Now, I will show you how to find good video topics for YouTube. If you install VidIQ Chrome extension, you will find the trending tab, and this will show you all the trending videos on this channel. Among these videos, try to make videos on the video topic that has received a lot of views in a short period of time. This means that kids are more attracted to these videos and like to watch them more. I have shown you everything that you need to know to make such online quiz videos. Now, if you want to discover more cash cow channel ideas, you can watch the video shown on the screen. And make sure to smash that like, subscribe button, and turn on the notification icon to unlock new online income opportunities daily. See you in the next video.